Replacing some of the wall art in your room with this super cute dry erase calendar will help you remember all of your important assignments and you won't forget another big test. For this, you're going to need a multi-frame picture frame. You can get those just about anywhere. Some craft letter stickers, dry erase markers to write on it when you're done, some scissors, and then I'm recycling some shopping bags, but you can also use craft paper. First, you want to start off by cutting out all of the pieces of craft paper, or if you're using recycled shopping bags like me, you just want to go ahead and cut out as many of those little sizes that you are going to need. So I decided to do 4 and make every other one just like white and plain, just to give it a cool little design. So just go ahead and trace whatever paper you are using lightly with a pencil, and then after that, take your scissors and then simply cut them all out at the same time. That way you don't have to go back and forth. So once you're all done cutting all of those out, you're just going to remove all of the little pictures and either flip them over or insert your little craft paper or paper that you are using for that. And then once that's all done, you're ready to add your letters. So you're just gonna go ahead and stick them on. I decided to abbreviate and use bigger letters, but if you want to use smaller letters, you could totally fit the entire day on there. But yeah, just go ahead and do that. And once you're finished, you're all done.